Today I thought let's do a little bit of a challenge. I will go to a couple different locations here in this hotel, and every time I'll have 1 minute to get as many shots as possible. So are you ready to run a lot, Natasha?
Yes, it's time to have foreground. Let's do it.
First location, I'll shoot with my 85 1.8 lens. 1 minute, let's go. We have Natasha here on this bridge. That's always a nice leading line. Bit of a simple shot, but let's just grab it before we maybe have nothing. Can you now walk, Natasha? So we have some movement in the shot. I like this red here in these plants. Maybe you can be somewhere here, and we maybe have some nice frame here. Keep posing a lot. Look down a little bit for the sun. Okay, wait, I'm gonna shoot it from here. Oh yeah, I like this more. All right, let's go to different spots.
Time's up.
Is that 1 minute?
Yes.
Well, that went really fast. I will actually now show you 3 photos that I would take if I have a little bit more time to think about composition and everything. I like how here Natasha is framed between the red plants and she's on the bridge, but it's like a bit of a different perspective than just a simple straight on shot with the leading lines that you always take on the bridge. Same with this side here of the bridge. I also just like the bouquet of the plants around Natasha and seeing a little bit of the little hotel house in the back. I want to take a photo of Natasha in these plants here, but I see these dead plants, so that's why I want to remove it. So obviously that's not so flattering for the shot. Covering a little bit like this, that looks super nice, the skin color of Natasha. Well, this is a pretty chill location, I would say, for a shoot. So I'm gonna take you guys along, put the GoPro on and take some shots here with Natasha. I chose a 35mm for this because obviously I want to see the environment as well as Natasha. A little bit more down with the face. Natasha further away from the background. This way there will be more blur in it. Face a little bit more down. Yeah, I like this background a little bit more. There's actually red in the background, which obviously works well with Natasha's red bikini. Let's take some shots like this. I kind of want to take a little bit of a wider shot so you can actually see all the plants that surround this pool, because that's what makes it so amazing. So I will hold my frame, Natasha will just walk. It will give us a little bit movement in the shot and a more dynamic, natural shot maybe. I really like how this looks more far from the background so that it's more blurry. So now just keep switching the face all the time a little bit. This is the direction of it so that the light falls differently on it. I'm gonna grab a shot now where Natasha is really in the plant. Okay, and now let's do it on sideways. Yeah. Okay, and now straight on. I like this because it shows a little bit more what's happening here. You see the path where Natasha walks to get to this amazing pool and then just walk towards me between, so we really see the environment, the plants and the pool, and you can have your hands like through the water so that there's some movement in the water. Let's try another frame. I want to check one more position maybe. It's cool guys because it's raining, but Natasha has a little bit of an umbrella, this giant plant covering her head. Ah yes, I like this. Look down, like you did into the camera. It's very hot here, yes, I like it more than the other one. Oh, there's some steam here. Okay, that might look cool in the photo. Let's now try to maybe do a fun one where you kind of splash. Obviously, I don't want this on my camera. Okay, let's do a shot where you walk away. I like it, I think, when you go through the water, because that creates a little bit of a more interaction with the environment. Yes, you can actually stop and look back. Now let's do the same, walking to me. Let's take some wide angle shots also in this very beautiful location here. Let's go deeper into the plants. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Stay here, look here. 3, 2, 1, yes. Ah, yes.